Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the fisheye filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, so here I'm in trending section. Slide up here. Okay, until you see this image. This is the filter, tap on it. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for fisheye. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see the record button. You can tap there to use the effect from there. Okay, likewise. And suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, let me go back. Website, link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the filter icon. Just tap on the filter icon and open it with TikTok. Okay, again you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this fisheye filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.